Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you, or show you how to change battery in Sony TV Remote Control. Or how to replace the batteries in a Sony TV remote. This is a very easy and quick tutorial, friends. So now, let's start. First, open the battery compartment cover, at the back of this remote. As you can see, there's an arrow guide, just slide it to open. Or simply push it forward according to an arrow guide. Just like this, you can now see here the batteries of your remote. To remove the old battery, just push it and lift up. I'm gonna use my finger or nails. Just like this. Here's the details, or orientation of my battery. I'm gonna put in my new battery, in the right orientation, just like this. And let's close the battery compartment cover. That's it, friends, of how to change battery in Sony TV Remote Control.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.